Hello kids, let's learn these shapes and color name. So let's start. It is purple, purple color, P-U-R-P-L-E, purple color. It is yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow color. It is red, R-E-D, red, red color. It is orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange, orange color. It is blue, B-L-U-E, blue, blue color. It is violet, V-I-O-L-E-T, violet color. Let's draw the shapes. This is black color. It is hexagon. It is half circle or semicircle. It is pentagon. It is circle. It is heart. It is rhombus or diamond. Let us color the shapes. It is purple color. It is heart. Heart is a shape. It is yellow color. It is pentagon. It has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. It is blue color. It is hexagon. It has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. It is red color. It is half circle or semicircle. It is orange color. It is circle. It has no side. It is violet color. It is rhombus or diamond. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Let us recall shapes and colors name once again. It is hexagon, blue color. Half circle or semicircle, red color. Pentagon, yellow color. Circle, orange color. Heart, purple color. It is rhombus or diamond, violet color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.